connect all the islands and city together. You can see the structure of this. Have a look on our right hand side. There's the Sheikh Zayed bridge. There's the new one. There are total 4 bridges connecting all the city and islands together. So the mosque have 82 domes, 8 different sizes. Each dome have a tip of pure 18 karat gold.
We're now here in Andalusia History and Civilization, Abu Dhabi. Entrance going to the mosque, Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. When going inside the mosque, dapat appropriate yung attire mo kasi hindi ka nila papapasukin. So, bawal yung ganyan, yung parang see-through yung sleeves. Dapat ganito pag female, ganito pag male. Pwede yung short sa male, basta hanggang dito sa baba siya. Below the knee. Ito guys yung mas detailed. Sa taas yung mga allowed, sa baba yung mga hindi allowed for male and female. Ayan. So, ayan. Ang attire po niya. Sorry. Ayan o. Guys, may kasama kaming ano dito. Samaritan. Wow! Ang daming bawal, no? Pwede mo. Pwede. Bawal yung yayakapin yung ano mo, family member or friend. Bawal yung peace sign. Basta dapat ano lang, formal lang sa loob. Pagbabawalan tayo. Oo. Para makakain tayo agad. Pag nagkamali ka ng galaw, buburahin yung picture or video, tapos palalabasin ka. Mos. Bango. Amoy perfume. Kagandahan sa mga mosque nila, mabango. Talagang well-maintained. Queen Elizabeth, oh. Okay, parang malit na siya. Malit. Laki. Photo spot, guys. We are here at the like a beach area of Abu Dhabi. Para kang nasa Pattaya. And ito yung tallest building in Abu Dhabi. Madami ring mga matataas na mga buildings dito. Ayan. Yun, parang style siya ng Atlantis, oh. We go to Heritage Village. Block. It's the horse. It's a camel. Ito po yung sa Zootopia pala. Ito po yung national animal. Yes. Delhi